we're using Megabus from DC to New York, and it's a total of about 5 hours. We made it to Union Station, and we're gonna try and find the Megabus the pickup spot. We don't know where that is. This is my first time in this part of DC, looking for an elevator. New York ready. So we have Greyhound right here. We got Peter Pan and some other shit. So we're taking Megabus, and it says number 31 to 41. Oh, it's over there. Megabus to New York. Oh my god, it's super cold here. We had a few hours to spare, so we decided to get some food before we boarded the bus. So we stopped at this food court and we ordered pizza and off to New York we go. We boarded the Megabus at Washington DC, and it carried us all the way to New York. So in Washington DC, we were at the Union Station, and it carried us to New York in New York. New York bus stop, Megabus bus stop. We also had a brief stop in Baltimore where they let off some people and they also picked up some people. In total, we paid, well, for one person it was about $179 US plus facilities fees and booking fees. And just like that, we made it to New York. My first time in New York. Alright guys, so I finally made it to the hotel. Oops. So I'm staying at this hotel called Opera House Hotel. I'm gonna give you guys a hotel tour. So when you come in, you have the closet right here, and it's just empty, you know. Oh, we can put our jackets and stuff. I don't usually use, you know, like the closet when I go to hotels. So let me show you guys right here. Got our stuff right here because we're gonna be in New York for a couple of days. We got a TV. We have some cupboards. You know, they didn't give us any shoes, any bed slippers. So I'm wearing my shoes in here because I know the carpet is filthy as hell. I have this counter, like, you know, do my makeup and stuff. I'm gonna sanitize it and use it for tomorrow. We got a couch right here. We got our, is this a king size or queen size bed?
King.
King size bed, okay. And we got night tables, lamps. You know, I saw right here, come on, and I thought it was like a balcony or something. Guess what it is? Turn around here, let them see clearly. Look at this. Exactly.
Okay.
I thought it was like gonna be like a sliding window or something. Anyways, let them see the view outside. Onegaishimasu. So that is the view. You can see the guy in the background, my photographer, my cameraman in the background. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. Journey from Washington DC to New York in the hotel, Opera Hotel. On you Google like the pictures. I didn't like the hotel actually because it looks very Asian, very old-fashioned. But now that we're here, it looks, the architecture looks old-fashioned, but the building actually looks like it has been recently renovated. So don't let the pictures on Google fool you, because that's what happened to me. They offer free coffee, free tea, free cocoa, chocolate tea. I know breakfast from 7 to 10 because I heard them saying it, and I think maybe the breakfast is included in the cost. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video where I'm gonna be exploring New York. So come with me. Bye.